My 486 keyboard, like many old electronics, has really yellowed over time. Let's fix that. First, we have to remove all the keycaps. The inside was disgusting. Blow away all the grossness. Give the keys a sudsy bath. Disassemble and clean the rest of the case, too. Coat the yellowed parts in developer cream. And wrap them in plastic wrap. And all the keys, too. Then into the UV box. 12 hours later it looks much better. So I started putting it back together. Then it was time to reinstall the keycaps. That looks so much better. Good as new. Now I'm all ready for some old school Wolfenstein 3D. Like and subscribe for more restorations.